Hi everyone, welcome back. It's KK Thompson. What a guan. Today I'm bringing to you my delicious recipe that is perfect for breakfast or a cozy snack, peanut porridge. It is creamy, flavorful, and packed with wholesome goodness. Plus, it is super easy to make. Let's go. So on the screen, you're already seeing some of the ingredients that we'll be using. And to that, we are going to use some cinnamon leaves, some nutmeg, and some salt. So here we have the pot on the fire. I have 4 cups of water in. And here are a few leaves, cinnamon leaves. So I'm putting that in. And with that, I am going to put in a teaspoon of nutmeg and a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to allow it to come to a gentle boil to infuse the water with that warm aromatic flavor. So I will just, as I'm stirring now, I'm just going to cover the pot and I'll allow it to gentle boil for about 2 minutes. And I will go ahead and start the blending process. Let's go. Here is where I want to say welcome to all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. And to all those that are watching for the first time, I would like you to like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. You can also turn on the notification bell so that when I come, you will get notified. And so I am using 3/4 cups of peanut, and the peanut is best to use the one with the skin on it, the red skin on it, because the red skin, that one is more potent. Okay, you get more benefit from that one. And I'm also going to use the same amount of oats to blend and a cup of water. Okay, so I use 4 cups of water because I don't want my porridge to be thick. I don't like thick porridge. So that is why I use 4 cups. If you want your porridge to be thick, then you can use like 1 cup of peanut and you can use 1 cup of oats. Alright, to the same 4 cup of water, and that will give you a thick porridge. So what I do, I just put a 3/4 cup each and a cup of water, and I blend. I blend it 2 times because I want it to be finely blended. Okay, you know, sometimes when you do it 1 time, it's kind of a little rough, and I want it to be smooth, fine and smooth. Hence I do it 2 times. Okay, so what I'll do now, I will just show you how it is looking in the blender. You can take a look. Yes, very fine. You notice? Yes, when you are drinking your peanut porridge, you're not supposed to be eating peanut. You're supposed to be drinking smooth porridge, right? And so what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to put it in. So I am putting in the mixture now from the blender to the pot. And what you want to do, you want to stir. As you put it in, you start stirring, right? To prevent lumps. You just keep stirring. Okay, at this point you could have take out the cinnamon leaf, but I just leave it in there until when it's time to sweeten my porridge, okay? But you can take it out if you want, but I just leave it. So you're going to stir and stir and stir, and then you're going to half mask the pot with the cover. I'll leave it to boil for about 20 minutes, but like every 5 minutes I will go in and I will stir, because I don't want any lump and I don't want it to burn. So by this, your fire should be on medium or a little less than medium, and you just keep going in and stir and stir. Keep checking, right? So this is the last stir. Yes, and if you notice the consistency, that's fine for me. I don't want it to be thicker than that. That is good enough for me. And so at this point, I will just go ahead and take out the cinnamon leaf. I have a container with some water, so I just remove the cinnamon leaf and the cinnamon stick from the pot now before I start sweetening the pot. I am going in now with my spices, and the first thing I'm going in with is my vanilla. So I put like a tablespoon of vanilla, and remember earlier that I put some nutmeg, right? From the beginning I put some nutmeg in. So I'm going in now with my condensed milk, and you can sweeten to your preference. Remember, this is what I do, but you have the option to tweak yours to your satisfaction, okay? So if you don't want sugar, you don't have to put sugar. If you don't want milk, you don't have to put milk. You can use honey, okay? So right here, you're going to do it to your liking. So I'm going in with about 2 tablespoons of sugar, cane sugar, right? And I just stir, stir, stir until everything come. And when I taste it, remember to always taste. So when I taste, I realize that I could do with a little more spice, and so I go in with a little more nutmeg. The salt was good enough and everything was good. So here I'm serving you a cup of my peanut porridge. Thank you for staying to the end. I appreciate you. See you in another video.